Hi, my name is Shin, Master of Key Energy Therapy. I've been providing key energy therapy to many people with many difficult conditions. Some people come to me for help because they have incurable diseases, such as cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, chronic fatigue syndrome, but I've been providing very good result. I also provide do-it-yourself program through video presentation. I've been doing for 4 of them so far, and I'm going to add additional one, 5th one today. Today I'm going to teach you how to reverse your heart problem. This is going to be remarkably working for you, and it's very easy to do, so I want you to do it at home or wherever you want to. You have to use your finger pressure technique. It's a very easy technique, and I want you to work on only 3 locations of your body. I'm going to later on explain why my procedure or methodology works better than anything else. First location I want to work on is under the armpit. You start from the left side of the armpit. You just rub it or massage it under the armpit. Okay? And if you can do a little stronger, do it. About 15 seconds. Around this area, you do it. Okay, after you do it about 15 seconds, second location is bottom of your neck, the front side of your neck, and the inside of clavicle. This is clavicle bone. Use your 2 fingers and just rubbing this area. And some area you start feeling a tingling sensation. That's the correct location. You just do it again, about 15 seconds. Do it like this. I'm going to explain to you why my methodology worked, why you are doing it, okay? And after it's done, the last location and third location is back at the bottom of your neck, where big muscle is located, trapezius muscle. This time you spend about 30 seconds pushing by your fingers and loosen up tight muscles, bottom of your neck and little side of the neck, where muscles are attaching to your neck, and about 30 seconds. If you finish left side, I also want you to do the same way right side, because balance is important, even though heart is located left side of your body. According to Western medicine, cause of the heart disease is plaque development inside of the artery. By eating junk food, animal products, a lot of food continuously, and not doing exercise much, you're gonna develop heart problem. Yes, it is true, but it's only part of it. And if you receive medicine or surgery, that is not attacking the cause of the problem, but taking care of the symptom of the problem. So I've been seeing so many people taking medicine, continue taking medicine, but they never get back their old healthy heart. Taking surgery, yes, so improve it, but later on they're going to go to another surgery again and again, because they are taking care of the symptom there. But my methodology is to attacking the cause of the problem. Cause of the problem is this way. Heart receives nerve impulse from brain, autonomic nervous system, so we don't feel anything. But if the correct nerve impulse is given to heart work correct way. Normally it happens. But sometimes it's not going to happen because somehow our neck deviate or upper thoracic area deviate, then heart nerve attachment to the heart shorten, then heart cannot receive enough information. So heart got confused and heart cannot work normally. Additional issue is lymphatic system. Lymph goes circulate inside your body going to heart. If the part of your lymphatic system, such as lymph node under the armpit, which is close to your heart, if it's clogged, heart cannot get the normal function. So those 2 are very important. So this area you are giving massage to lymph node as well as stimulating your nerve. This area you are stimulating your nerve going to your fingers. Then you start wondering why finger has nothing to do with my heart. Yes, it is. Somehow nerves extending from your neck and the upper region of your thoracic go to your arms, almost the same nerves going to our heart. So by stimulating and you feel tingling sensation, we are stimulating nerve attaching to your heart as well. And also the reason why I'm doing it, because to loosen up tight muscles attaching to your neck. Also loosening up tight muscles attaching your neck means you're going to have a high chance of deviated neck area going to go back to normal position. By doing it continuously, left side and right side, eventually your heart going to receive right message from your brain, and the lymphatic system circulating and pushing toxic out. That's the cause of the problem. And this is a very easy program. You can do it anytime you want to. I want you to do it at least 3 to 5 times a day, every day for minimum of 4 weeks. And between 4 to 8 weeks, you're gonna start feeling the difference. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you have a problem, please do it. And if you know someone have a heart problem, please introduce this program to this person. And I want everybody taking advantage of this video. Good luck. Thank you.